Hi everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Persian Orosi glass design, like the one you see here. But once you make the underlying structure for this, there are other interesting variations you can make on it. Like these, two more examples. Okay, let's get started. So, we're going to start by making a circle, and you don't want this circle to be more than about 2.5 inches in radius, so that it will fit on the tracing paper that we're going to use when we actually do the coloring. But here's the circle. And then what I'm going to do is mark the diameter with my straight edge. And then, keeping the compass the same radius, I'm going to mark off 4 more points. I'm going to mark off 2 here, 1, 2. And then I'm going to put my compass over here and mark 2 more. 1, 2. And I might actually do this part for you. But what we now have are 6 points on the circumference of our circle, all spaced equally apart. So now what we want to do is take our straight edge, and I'm going to use some colored pens for this just so you can see the different steps clearly. And I'm going to connect each vertex of this shape, of this hexagon, to every other vertex. So for the first one, I'm going to connect this to this. I'm going to make 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. And this might remind you of the handshake problem if you've ever seen that. So now for the second vertex, I'm going to have to make five lines here. I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4. But then the fifth one is already made for me. So I made 5 and then 4. So then from this one, I'm only going to have to make 1, 2, 3, because the fourth and the fifth were made off the first 2 vertices. Now here, I'm going to make 1, 2. And then from this one, I only have to make 1 because I've already connected the first vertices to it. Okay, so now we've made a hexagon, and inside of the hexagon, there are little line segments connecting each vertex to every other vertex. So go ahead and do this, and then when we come back in the next video, I'll show you the next step. Okay, get started.